Hello friends, let's complete one activity which is based on the topic probability. So this is the chart in which we have to find the sample space and how many number of sample points in that sample space. So there are various experiments given. In the second column, the random experiments are given, for which we have to find all the possible outcomes for that random experiment, which is written as a sample space in the third column, and in the last column we have the number of sample points, that is n of s in the sample space. So for example, if we consider the first one, the first random experiment is one coin is tossed. So whenever one coin is tossed, we can get two possibilities. On the upper surface, either we get head or tail. So these are the only two possible outcomes. That's why in sample space we have only these two sample points, h or t. So in all, two sample points are there, therefore here n of s is equal to 2. So this is for the first random experiment. Suppose if we have two coins which are tossed simultaneously, it is possible that on the first coin we will get head and on the second also we will get head. So HH is the first possibility. On the first coin we can get H head and on the second coin we can get tail. So HT is the second possibility. Then we have TH and TT. So these are the only four possible outcomes for this random experiment. So n of s is equal to 4 this time. Now when three coins are tossed simultaneously, we can get in all 8 possible outcomes: HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH and TTT. So these are all 8 outcomes. That's why n of s is equal to 8. Now if we feel it's difficult to remember these outcomes, I have made one special video on this. So I will give the link in the description. You can watch it so as to remember these outcomes without any confusion. Now the next random experiment is a die is thrown. We know that every die has 6 surfaces. So any of the surface we can have on the upper surface, that is any of the number we can have on the upper surface. It may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. So these are the only possibilities for the outcomes of this random experiment. So here n of s is equal to 6. Suppose if we throw two dice simultaneously, then we get two numbers for each outcome. That is, on the first die we can get 1 and on the second also we can get 1. For the second result, on the first die we can get 1 and on the second we can get 2. So in this way we get up to 1 6. Similarly 2 1 2 2 up to 2 6. Similarly 3 1 3 2 3 3 up to 3 6. In this way we can get 6 1 6 2 up to 6 6. So these are total 36 outcomes. Therefore n of s is equal to 36. Now the next random experiment is a card is drawn from a pack of bearing numbers from 1 to 25. So if there are 25 cards, each card bears a number between 1 to 25, then we can get any card between 1 to 25. So these are the 25 possible outcomes. Therefore n of s is equal to 25. And the last random experiment is a card is drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. So we know that in playing cards we have 4 types of cards: diamond, spade, heart and club. And in that pack we have 13 cards of each type. So if we have to pick any one card, we can get any one out of these 52 cards. So here in all total 52 outcomes are there. Therefore n of s is equal to 52. So these are the some of the possible outcomes, that is sample space and the number of sample space for these random experiment. I hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.